Good evening and welcome to the session number 15 from the playlist of properties of matter. The topic is the laws of flotation, and with respect to this topic, I have written here 4 important points. So the first point here is that when a body of density say rho b and volume v is put in a liquid of density say rho l, then it is acted upon by two forces. The first one is the weight of the body, which is acting vertically downward, and the second one is the upthrust due to the fluid, which is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced, and this upthrust acts vertically upward. Now here the weight of the body will be equal to the mass of the body multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity, and the mass will be equal to the density of the body multiplied by the volume into g, where g is the acceleration due to gravity. And the upthrust due to the fluid in which it is immersed will be equal to the weight of the liquid displaced, and this upthrust will be acting vertically upward. So when the body is immersed in a liquid, then three cases can happen as I have written here. The first one is that the body will sink, and this is possible only when the density of the body is more than the density of the liquid. That is, the weight of the body is greater than the upthrust due to the fluid, which is acting in the vertical direction, in the upward direction, and the here weight is acting vertically downward. So when the weight is more than the upthrust due to the fluid, then the body will sink. Second point is that the body will float fully submerged only when the density of the body is equal to the density of the liquid, and this is possible when the weight is equal to the upthrust. Now the weight is equal to mg, which is equal to rho b dot v dot g in this case, and here the upthrust will be equal to the weight of the liquid displaced. So weight is equal to m into g, that is mass of the liquid, into g. The mass of the liquid will be equal to the density of the liquid multiplied by the volume. Now here the volume will be the volume of the body which is immersed in the liquid. So the upthrust will be equal to rho l into v into g, where g is the acceleration due to gravity, v is the volume of the liquid which is displaced, and it will be equal to the volume of the body, and rho l is the density of the liquid. So in this case, when the body is fully submerged, then W will be equal to F, or we can say that rho B into V into G, this is equal to rho L into V into G. So from here we can say that this is possible only when the density of the body is equal to the density of the liquid. And the third case will be when the body will float partially submerged. So this is possible only when the density of the liquid is more than the density of the body. So in this case, the weight, which is equal to rho b into v into g, this will be equal to the Vin into sigma L into g. Now here Vin is what? It is the volume of the body in the liquid, and rho L is the density of the liquid multiplied by g. So by equating these two equations, we will be getting that the volume of the body multiplied by the density of the body is equal to the volume of the body in the liquid multiplied by the density of the liquid. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next in the subsequent sessions, that is from the session number 16 onwards, we will be I will be coming up with a few questions from the topic of Archimedes principle, buoyancy, and the laws of flotation. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.